Little crazy, little sexy, little cool. Little rough around the edges, but I keep it smooth. I'm always left to center, and it's right where I belong. I'm the random mind, and don't you hear in major songs.
Hey y'all. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's rough. It's rough here. The pollen is out and my throat is sore. So bear with me. If you're new here though, hi, my name is Terenika. I go by T, and I'm sharing my whole life here on YouTube basically. I'm trying to live a keto lifestyle, as you can tell by the title. I am also on my channel you'll find different things from clean with me's, shop with me's, decorate with me, basically everything that I'm doing in my everyday life. So if you like content like that, make sure you subscribe. I would love to have you. I'm usually 6 times out of 10 looking like this because, you know, at home. But I am going to get presentable a little bit later. Oh, child. So I'm having bulletproof coffee, and inside of my bulletproof coffee, I do have a tablespoon of honey. Keto police, don't find me. I have to do what's working for me. The pollen is out, as I said, and I need the raw honey, so I got the raw honey. I was going to, I was thinking about just doing water, honey, and lemon juice, but I know if I would have went about it that way, I would have used more than 1 tablespoon because that's just how I usually make it when my throat hurts or when I'm feeling under the weather. It's usually more than 1 tablespoon. So with it in this 1 cup of coffee, I can taste it fairly well, so I just hope it works this way. But this is all for now, and I'll be back in about a couple seconds and look different. Alright y'all, so I am back, and I look a little bit more presentable, I think. Maybe not. I'm not feeling the best today. The weather, and then just whew, it's just that time, girl. So yeah, so I'm getting ready to prepare myself some breakfast and something for the kids. This is not something that I do every day because most of the times I'm not hungry in the morning. Last night we did go to a family dinner, and I ate, the last thing I ate was probably about like 6:30 or something. So when I woke up this morning, I was hungry. Excuse my smoke detector. Someone did message me and was like, change your battery, please. I'm sorry. I have not got up there to check it out, and I keep telling my husband, suggesting it to my husband to kind of like change the battery. So I think I'm gonna just have to do it myself. But this is my mood today. I cannot adult. I do not know if I'm going to be mom or not. I just don't know how this day is going to go. So as you can see, my cabinet doors are still off for just this cabinet because we haven't started painting yet. So, you know, it's just been all over the place. But anyway, I got a tablespoon of butter here in my pan. Let me get y'all down there. Tablespoon of butter in there, and I'm going to crack these eggs. I got some bacon back there. I actually kind of burnt it because I forgot about it while I was in the midst of getting dressed. So when I came out the room, I smelled it, and I was like, oh crap, my bacon. So I think I'm gonna just do 2 eggs. Nah, I'm gonna do 3. I'm gonna do 3 eggs, some spinach, and I chopped up some of the portobello mushrooms already here over on my cutting board. So that's what I'm going to add in there. And I'm also going to have me a avocado. Normal basis, I kind of like my eggs like over easy. I leave them whole, but I think I'm gonna scramble them. Well, I'm gonna scramble them today since I am gonna be adding stuff. And then so pepper. A little bit of mint, minced onion. Handful of spinach. Add my shrooms and some garlic. I'm gonna put a dabble of this in here because my eggs, I have my pan up a little bit too high. My eggs cook fast and I don't want them to dry out while I wait for my mushrooms to cook a little bit longer. Mushrooms and spinach do cook fairly easy, quick. They cook fairly quick. But I'm gonna let that simmer a little bit. Let that simmer, and I'm gonna cut my avocado. All right, so I am going to enjoy this, and because I like a little bit of heat, I'm gonna go over top of my avocado with a little dust of cayenne and a little dust over my eggs. And this is my first meal. It's in. I started opening it, but then I said, let me do it with y'all. So let's do it.
That's the shoe. That's the shoe button.
Every time I get ready to film a video, my nails be coming off.
Get on the hill. Get on.
I guess I'd be too rough on them.
Really, Daddy?
OMG, y'all. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Can y'all see more of a vision of where I'm going? Okay.
It's missing. Now you gotta hold it. You gotta hold it to shoot.
So exciting. Please simmer down. All right, so it is almost 4 o'clock and I had to season this meat so I can throw it on the grill. I'm kind of hungry and I kind of want something sweet, so I'm just gonna have a quick snack. I'm going to wash off some of these blueberries and put a little of this on the side. It seems like every time I get ready to record a video, my nails want to come off. I do them myself. I just recently started because since we decided to do our home updates, you know, had to budget different things, girlfriend. Like, there was some things that I could go without and there were some things that I can't. And it was either save the $50 a month on nails or save the $50 a month on wax. And I'm not going back to shaving, so yeah. I just got some nails off Amazon and I just painted myself. And I'm having a really
I don't want to watch your crap right now. Your ashy lips.
I took the dead skin off.
Oh,
So, because I wasn't getting, what's it called? I wasn't getting acrylic or nothing like that on my nails. I haven't been getting that for a while. I was getting the dip powder, SNS dip powder. So, yeah, had to save that coin, child, to do these updates. And I just do them myself. But if you do your own nails, or if you used to, or whatever the case may be, If you know of a really good nail glue, please comment that down below, because I've tried about 4 different ones. The one that I'm on right now is the Nailene super glue, and it has been working the longest. But being that I get my hands wet so much, I'm just noticing that, like, just like this one today, I was scratching my head and it just went boop, just came right on off. So yeah, because there's so much water gets under them, and I took a bath last night, so yeah, soaked in there for a little while, so that could have something to do with it. But yes, comment down below any good nail glues if you have any suggestions. So back to this snack. I got the raw maple almond butter. Now, it's probably not like the cleanest keto almond butter, because I got some unsweetened almond butter and I just really just don't like it, honestly. So I decided to get a flavor, and it has 9 total carbs, 3 fiber. So that makes 6 carbs for 2 tablespoons, but there is also 4 sugars. So yeah, just depends on what you want to sacrifice. If you would like to, if you don't mind the extra sugars like me at this very point, because of the time of the month it is, I don't mind. It's either eat this or go get some chocolate eggs, because you know they're everywhere right now. Yeah. So I'm gonna take these almond sugars and do what it do. That's just that. So this is what I'm looking like. This is 2 tablespoons, roughly, and about an ounce of berries. Oh my God. Sorry about that, y'all. Y'all took a tumble. I'm gonna eat this. I'll see y'all in a little bit. This is why I like chopping my own cauliflower, because I have enough for tonight. And this portion is actually kind of big, so it can be 2 portions tonight and tomorrow for leftovers. And then I also have 2 little Ziploc bags. I don't have any of the big Ziploc bags, but I have 2 little Ziploc bags, and I would say this is about 3 portions and this is about 2. And so 5 portions of cauliflower rice for $2.50. Cut your own cauliflower, people. Okay. Think my turkey wings are just about done. Yes, I am on this grill, y'all. I'm not scared of it no more. My turkey wings are done. I'm getting ready to put my gravy into a broiler. Their rice is done and my rice is done as well. I just got to do my green beans real quick.
I get my what back? Be back. Be quiet. The race. Can the rabbits go fast? The dogs are in the race. Can the dogs go fast? The pigs are.
Okay, y'all, so it is the next day, because just like me, I forgot to film an outro yesterday. So my dinner that I made last night turned out great. We had enough for leftovers, so we'll be having that again today. I will leave the recipe for that creamy mushroom gravy if you would like to make that, because I was going to film me actually making it, but it was just too much going on in here. It was really noisy, so I just decided to I'll just leave the recipe down below. But if you guys would like to see me making it and see how I do it, because of course I never really follow recipes to the T. I have to make them my own. So if you all would like to see how I make that, just leave that down below and I will get that video up for you. Also, I want to apologize for the little hiatus because last week I felt like I was doing pretty good. I pumped out like 3 videos or so. I had planned on doing a video every day. And what kind of messed me up is that one of my videos that I had edited and everything, and it was just ready to go up, when my kids had my phone, they deleted the video. So a completely edited, completely finished video was ready to go up, and it couldn't go up because it wasn't there. So that messed me up, and then I kind of just got in a funk after that because it was just like, oh my gosh. I had a whole video, whole content just going. So it was basically like a mommy's day out pampering type video. So nothing keto related, but I do have other things on my channel. So I have tons of videos in store for you guys. So if you have not subscribed yet, please make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of my extended family and join me on all of these journeys and adventures that I'll be taking. Until next time, you guys.